Hello everybody, welcome to Modi's English class. Our today's topic is adjectives. What do you mean by adjectives? Lot of students have questions on this topic. Adjective is that word which qualifies noun, which tells about noun, which adds meaning to the noun. Example, he is a good man. So man is noun. What is the adjective? Good. So that's why there are adjectives of many kinds available, many types available. What is the primary job of an adjective? Adjective adds meaning to the noun. Adjective modifies to the noun. Adjective describes noun. Describes noun. So there are many types. Let us begin the topic adjectives. And here to my right side, all of you look, I start with adjectives of quality. First adjective is what? That is adjectives of quality. What that quality? Shape, size, color and manner. It tells about the quality, tells about the shape, manner, all these things. Beautiful, tall, she is a beautiful girl. He is a tall person. Thin, long, big. So it tells about the quality of the noun, tells about the quality. And the next category is quantity. Adjectives of quantity. What is that? Here it is. How much, how many of a thing, that is the quantity. How much and how many. Here it is all, half, all the mangoes, half of the mangoes, little, some, no, any, much, enough. So this tells about adjectives of quantity. It specifies the quantity. How much water is there? You can say there is little water or there is all little water. So tells about the quantity. How much rice is there? You can say 1 quintal, more, or like that, Now we are moving to the third one, demonstrative adjective. What is the function? Point a person or a thing. Here it is this, that, these, those, such as. These are the categories of demonstrative adjectives. It demonstrates particular person, categorizes, indicates particular person. This book, that hall, this table, like that. These mangoes. Next coming interrogative. What is the job of the interrogative? Asking question. Interrogative means asking question. Here it is used to ask questions. What, which, whose and what. So this is all about interrogative adjectives. What? Example, which type of book? Which type of book? It relates to book. Which type of book? So whose book it is? Whose book, like that. So definitely it is interrogative adjectives. It qualifies a question, indicates a question. Now I am moving to the left side, and here all of you look at it. Exclamative. Exclamative. All of you know what do you mean by exclamation? Surprise, wonder. That is exclamation. So here it is exclamative adjective. Here Durga line modifies a noun by indicating an exclamation. Example, what a beautiful flower. So beautiful is the adjective. Flower is the noun, exclamation mark is there. So similar questions. Okay, how nice, what a beautiful thing. So when there is exclamation mark, this is called exclamative adjective. And I am moving to the next category, that is numeral. Numeral. What do you mean by numeral? Number. Look at, indicates the number. Here it is no, any, some, few, all, many. So numerals and quantity, there is a relationship. In case of numerals and quantity, there is a relationship. Now coming next, emphatic. What do you mean by emphatic? Where emphasis is given. Emphasis is given. One example, look at line, a big emphatic man. Another example, an emphatic denial or rejection. So where emphatic win, we very much say that this is an emphatic win. So what? We give emphasis on a particular thing, put stress on a particular thing. And the next category of adjective is distributive. Distribution. What is the meaning? Normally used with singular nouns. here it is coming, all of you look at the right side, left side, here it is distributive, normally used with singular nouns. What are the categories? Each, every, either and neither. So all these types of adjectives give particular qualities and emphasize all the nouns. So there are these types of adjectives which very much helpful in indicating the nouns and qualifying the nouns and telling about the nouns. So this is all about the adjectives today. Thanks a lot for watching. Next class I will give some other grammar. Thanks. Thank you very much.